Hey guys, so I know I haven't posted in a very long time. So I thought I would come back with one big video with all of my robot vacuums because I have a ton I'm going to be keeping and a ton I'm going to be getting rid of. The decision isn't 100% yet. There are some that I might be keeping and some I might be selling. Well, not really keeping. I have more I might sell. But here are all the robot vacuums I have. So for now, these are the ones I plan to keep. There are one or two here and there I will be getting rid of, but for now, this is what I plan to keep. And then this is basically the section of some I'm selling. So since I have all these robot vacuums, I thought I'd make one big video where we're gonna start them all up. I'm gonna let these guys run for 5 minutes or so, and then I will shut them off and that'll be it. So let's go ahead and start them up, and this is gonna be a lot of fun.
Frio Smart Vacuum and Mop started. Hair compression started. Starting to clean. Positioning. Standby. Start auto starting the cleaning.
Well, I start the channel. Yeah, I started it. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and shut them off. And because I didn't really name them when I started them, we're gonna go ahead and do that now. D-Bot X2 Combo, Narwhal Frio X Ultra, Shark IQ Self Empty, Roborock Q7 Max Plus, iHome S2, Roomba 960, Nido D8 to seem had shut itself off, Yuffie LR20, Roomba Combo J9, Shark Power Detect, Dreamy X40, the Wise Robot Vacuum, Roomba 692, Roomba Vac Essential, Roborock S7 Max V Ultra, Roborock S6. Doesn't look like this guy stopped himself. Omnido D8. Shark IQ without self-emptying bin. Samsung JetBot Plus. Roomba J7 Plus. D-Bot X1 Turbo. Daredevil LiDAR Robot. Yuffie X10 Pro Omni. And finally, the Roborock S8 Max V Ultra. So I thought I'd make that quick little video about all my robot vacuums. I'm going to be making another video in a little bit on all the robots I'm keeping, the ones I'm selling, and then for the ones I'm selling, why exactly I'm getting rid of them. So I'll see you guys later. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you guys later.